Hi guys, welcome back to Curl TV. This is Priyanka. Today video I'm going to share with you how to preserve your curls while sleeping. I completely do get it. After you wash our hair, our curls are going to be super good and super awesome. But carrying it to the other days, we may fail. So here is the video that I'm going to share with you. What are the tricks and tips that you have to follow to preserve your curls while sleeping? And also I'm going to tell you what I personally like to do and what are the other ways that you can follow to preserve the curls during night. Let's get started. Number one is that sleep on a satin or a silk pillow covers. These are the materials that causes minimum friction. That is the main reason I'm keep insisting like go with these materials, because the cotton or the other material that causes more friction. So please switch to this and to protect your curls during night. So here is the tips I'm going to tell you. If you don't have a silk or a satin pillow covers, then you can follow this. Like I have taken my old inskirt. This is my old inskirt and this is of a satin material. I used to convert this as a pillow cover and used to sleep on it. You can still do the same with your mom's silk sarees or the other material, other cloths that you have of a satin or silk material or even polyester, that can help you how to preserve your curls during night. Or like Priyanka, you are telling like Priyanka, I don't want to do all this. I wanted a regular pillow cover. Then there is a link down in the description box. You can go and get it. Number two is that you have to sleep in a pineapple hairstyle. I'm going to share with you how to do this pineapple hairstyle. For that you need a rubber band like this, a wire, or you simply need a fluffy and a scrunchy rubber bands that even can be in a satin or silk bands that can be more good. I don't have one like that, so I'm taking our wire rubber band like this. Okay, the first step is that what you have to do, you have to flip your head upside down. Okay, don't rack it like this. Okay, don't rack it like this, just be gentle. Gather all your hair like this. Okay, I have a lot of layers in short hair, so just like that you have to gather. And I'm taking this rubber band and I'm going to tie it out. Just only one tie, just only once, leave it. That's all. Your pineapple hairstyle is ready. I know it is going to be super funny. Okay, it is going to be something like this. If you have a short hair, this is completely fine, but one more thing, you have to sleep over a satin or a silk pillow covers, don't forget that. But if you have a long hair, my hair is like super small, super short, so this can help you out. Sometimes I used to put that tip tap clips we have, then I used to tie it over here, then I'm ready to go and sleep. But if you have a long hair, this is not going to work out. I'm going to share you how to do this pineapple hair bun. Okay, the same process, you have to gather all your hair, be gentle, don't rack it, no. Okay, be gentle. And now you have gathered. Okay, everything is fine. I'm going to do this bun over here because when you get up right in the morning, that is going to stretch out and it will be little loose, so it will come the back. Okay, so that is the reason now I'm putting it over here. One, then twist. Okay, and the second one you have to bring it till the end, only till the end. Don't complete it fully, like till the end, and you leave it. Like few people are asking me, even if I'm wearing this pineapple hairstyle, my curls are not like the same in the morning. It is like becoming messy and shabby, because like me, they are like a shabby sleeper. They might roll over the bed. So for them, that what I personally is do that the same hairstyle, like, but I'm not going to use this rubber band now. I'm going to twist it, just twist it, and I'm going to take a clutch clip like this, okay, and I'm going to put it. This is going to hold a bit stronger than those pineapples. That is my personal experience. Like, if you are comfortable with any of this hairstyle, then you can follow that, but don't forget to sleep on the pillow covers that is of a satin or silk, then only it is going to protect your curls. So this is how I'm going to make it. This is my regular bun at my home all over the day. I do the same in the night, and I'm going to sleep on that pillow covers. Sleeping with a satin or a silk scarf. Okay, here is a tip. If you don't have a satin or silk scarf, you can go and take it out of material like this, of satin material or any other material. This is my old nightie. Okay, let's see how I'm going to tie this as a scarf. I'm doing the same thing. Okay, now I'm going to put a pineapple or a normal bun. Okay, I'm just putting a pineapple because that can hold it better. You can directly tie a scarf, but my personal experience, that is not going to stay out till the morning. Okay, I'll show you even that and this also. Now I have put this pineapple bun. Okay, I'm taking this scarf. Okay, and you can put it something like this. You have to hold it. Okay, cover your full head. You have to cover your head like this. Okay, if you have a scarf, it's fine. Okay, if you don't have, then you can take a material like this or some dupattas or some saris, and you are going to twist it, and this edge, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put it upside down like this, and tie it. So the other way that you can preserve your curls is during night is that using a bonnets. Okay, this is a bonnet which I bought it in Amazon. Okay, I'm going to add the products links down in the description box. All the products links I'm going to add in the description box. You can go and check it out. For today, guys, hope you like it. Then please do like it, share with your lovelies. That help me a lot. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go and subscribe it. Click on the notification to get notified for all my new videos, and you can also reach me out in Instagram at Curly Chick. See you all soon in another beautiful video. Tata!